I've got this. Um, okay, there's something I gotta fix there really quick. Hold on a second. Sorry, it's doing something a bit weird here, so. Okay. Okay. So I've got this working. It says featured. I can click one of these links and set it as featured. When I click on it, it unsets those and sets a new thing as featured. Let's go to home here. Now we have the new hero image. Look pretty good to you?
Yes, yes. And can you show me when you first create an account, you must have a cookie created. Could you tell me that
Yeah,
in the beginning?
haven't we done that way before?
Yes. Um, One of our tasks is when we log in, then a cookie is created when we create a new user. Okay. Can you tell me if the cookie was created?
Yeah, I'm pretty certain it was. Right here.
Okay. And do you have the tool to display it in the browser?
The what?
Do you have the tool to display the cookie in the browser?
Like this right here.
Yes. I don't see the cookie.
I don't understand. I
Mira,
clearly have the code in there.
mira. Let me share my screen to show you what I try to say.
Okay.
For instance, when the first time I register, if I go to the tool and see the cookie, view cookie information, I have here the cookie created. Did you see that?
Yeah.
And when I log in, if I want to see the cookie is not there anymore. Do you have this?
Okay, so where do I go to look for cookies?
Yes.
Let me share my screen again.
Please.
Have it in Chrome now.
Okay. Brother, don't worry if you can find the cookie. Right.
Well, I'm go on to the other stuff.
Yeah, yes. Don't worry.
Okay.
Go
Okay.
to the next stuff.
The
Okay.
next person who looks at my thing can worry about it. Okay, so what else are we looking for? What else do you
Uh,
want to look at?
I would like to see your database connection.
My database connection. All right. Which table?
the inventory table. So can you move to the right? Okay. Um, yes, brother. I see something. You must have all the values like new, and only one value you must have with the value of one. You must not. You don't. You you don't have values zero.
Well, the way I have it is the way I have it is that it makes sense if you take a look at my code. I have it functioning exactly as it should. Let me show you my code.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go to products right here, and go to management. Okay, so featured. Okay, here we are.
Okay.
And that's my case for featured. Let's go to set project featured, which I think is in my products model. Okay, set project featured. And right here, this is what I have. I basically where it equals 1, I set it to 0. So it can either be 0 or null. Either value means it's not featured, but 0 would mean it's been featured in the past. So there's that. And then I set the new thing with the second block there in that same function. Now let's go back to the view thing. It's still even though it does allow for more values other than null and 1. I treat the 0 the same way I treat 1 in this function.
Okay.
So basically, according to my app, null and 0 are the same thing. That at least that's the way I've set it up.
Okay. Okay, brother. And can you show me again your database, please?
Let's go back to the products index. Let's take a look at management where I put it together. And here I have the logic. If project inventory featured is equal to false or null or 0, then it links the link to click to set as featured. Else, if it is equal to true or 1, it's just a thing of text that you can't click on.
Okay, brother. Brother, can you show me your database again, please?
I can show you my database.
Please. So, can you scroll down, please? Okay. Ambient. Can you change your
My
inventory
what?
to see if the value change in your database, but to change it in the web page, please?
So you want me to go to the
Yes.
Okay.
And to change the inventory.
All right. Let's go to here. Go to products page. So let's click on this. As you can see here, you see what clicking the link does.
Welcome to the very moment. Brother, I believe that you need to display a message to indicate that one item was featured and another was one was removed and the other is displaying in the right view.
Yeah, I need to fix that for the final submission tomorrow.
Okay, okay, well,
Yeah,
uh,
yeah, I realize I need to fix it, but I haven't been able to fix that part.
don't worry, brother. And could you go to the homepage to see if
Mm-hmm.
page instant hold, okay?
Instant hole right there.
Instant hold. And right now the database connection, please.
Will do. Let's hit refresh here.
Instant hold.
Okay. Now let's go over here. One. Here's the one. Let's highlight that.
Okay,
Instant hole right there.
perfect, perfect, brother. I see. Can you validate each view, please?
Huh?
Could you
What
validate your page?
homepage?
See? Yes, in big size and a small size. Validate, please.
Like that?
Like validate the CSS and the HTML in,
Oh,
in the home page.
that's what you mean. So where I go to validate?
Um, I I validate my page with a tool that the profer
Could you link me really quick?
yes, but if you don't have that tool, don't worry, brother. Well, it seems all perfect. Yes, this is the tool.
Okay, this is uh validate by direct input. I'm just gonna do it like that. View page source. Check. Ah.
I recommend you to install the tool. It's very easy to use this tool and to validate and
Yeah.
gain time. Yeah, don't worry, brother. It's fine.
Okay, now I'm going to go back to here and go here. That um,
When we need to submit the final project tomorrow?
what?
When we need to submit the final project tomorrow?
What?
The final project, this project, when we are required to submit it? Required to send this project to the teacher tomorrow?
Yeah,
Okay.
the final is due tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, so apparently my CSS is validated, so I still need to make sure that my HTML looks good. Usually, if I judge it by if it looks fine on the browser, but apparently that's not good enough. But at least the CSS is validated. Okay, what else do we want to look at?
Perfect.
All right. Now,
All right.
you want me to look at your website and do that for you?
Yes, of course. Here we
Okay,
go.
let me pull up my spreadsheet and I'm going to stop sharing now. And
Okay. Okay, I will start.
Sorry.
I will start. Uh, can you see my screen?
I can see your screen.
Great.
I'm pulling up the spreadsheet right now. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm having problems with this, so I'm gonna have to download it and then upload it to Google Docs because LibreOffice is having problems right now. So, okay, so drive.google.com. All right, now I've got it up.
Okay. Are you seeing my screen, brother?
I see your screen.
Yes. To
Yeah.
display what I have. Okay. So
Okay, so
I registered.
um, okay, so
This is my cookie. And the cookie information. Here is the cookie. I will log in.
yeah, I think you've showed me your cookies before. So
Yes, you're
uh,
right. Yes.
sorry.
Uh, uh, okay. The product management. Um, let's see. Ambient.
Yeah, okay, I'm looking.
And the last item was
Apparently, it doesn't have the switch thing that I've got. That's what it shows like that. Okay, that works.
this, the change. And the ambient was here. In Catapult. I will show you my table. Okay. Here we are. Catapult. It has a
right.
value of 1. I will change it to see the change. TNT. TNT. Catapult. TNT. And refresh it. Here is. You can see that, and this is
Yeah,
working.
I can see that.
And I will validate my page. Okay. Okay. In a small view, I have to put something like that.
Right. So you still want me to send you my files?
No, it's not necessary because
Huh.
teachers say that we can see our code by Google Hangout, and it is right. So don't worry. I don't need your code. Just with this meeting.
Oh, the spreadsheet says differently. Did they change their mind or something?
Sorry.
The instructions in the spreadsheet say that we need each other's files, but did they change their mind on that?
Yes, a Caesar asked the teacher in the discussion board, and the teacher.
Oh, okay. That's good enough for me. Thanks.
Okay.
Cool beans. All right. So everything looks good. So I'm just gonna save this and add it in.
And what do you want to see anything from my code?
Yeah, that'd be nice. Did you validate it?
Yes. It is validated.
All right. Now let me just
Mm.
all right.
Well, here's the code that I use to play the main concept, uh, the main page, the home page.
All right. Everything's looking good.
Do you need, brother, to see another code or any page to complete the peer review?
Right, so I think that's good. So should I just submit my video? Submit the link to this video.
Okay, I will send to you the link of the video, brother.
All right, cool beans.
Thank you for all, brother, and have success in your future studies.
All right,
See you.
I'll go try to bug somebody else for another review now.
Okay, great, great. Have success in that.
Have success.
See you.